Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you the basics of crocheting. I will show you the types of hooks you may have and the yarn you can use. Actually, you can use any yarn and any type of hook. I will just show you how to start, and you will see that it's very fun and easy way of spending time, and have some handmade stuff that you can keep for you or give to your friends. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. So now I show you the types of hook you can buy. It depends on your personal preference. There is no strict rule what hook you must use for which yarn. For beginners, I would suggest to try several types to find the one they think is more suitable for them. So we have plastic, bamboo hooks, aluminium hooks, and this one is aluminium but with a plastic handle, which is sometimes good for not to get tired too fast for your fingers. So, but some people prefer just like smooth one like this, so it all depends what you like more. The yarn, I'm just taking any ball of yarn I found first, and I want to say that when you buy the yarn that you like, you can see, it's off camera, you can see the hook size. Here, for example, this is from another type of yarn, just the label, it's for 3-4 millimeter hook size or US 36. So you can always get the right information. And right now, just to show you how to start any crocheting project, I will teach you how to make a slip knot. So you just grab the yarn, put it on your fingers, and then wrap it around 2 fingers to make a cross. And then turn it, and you have the 2 yarn. You take a hook and go under and pull the second yarn. And then you just release and pull to make a loop. There are many types of making slip knots, and I made a video on my Instagram account. Also, I will post here how the other ways of making a slip knot. This one is my favorite one, but you can choose the one you like. Then you can chain. It depends on the pattern, the one you follow, but I will just show you how to do a basic chain. So you must always hold the chain with the thumb, and then yarn over and pull through the loop. It's facing, then you turn it down and pull through the loop. So I hope you can see it well. And for this sample, I will not make a big long chain, but you know that if you are making a scarf, for example, you can have a very long chain, or other projects. Like, I think that's enough. If you want to count, because when you follow the pattern, they will say maybe chain 20 or 10, you just see these loops. They look like hearts, or somebody called them V, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I chain 12. So the one on the hook, normally you don't count unless they ask you to count, and you skip the loop, which is exactly after the loop on the hook, and insert the hook in the second loop. Pull, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, and you have a single crochet. So you insert in the next loop, yarn over and pull through. This is the single crochet that you can use for many patterns and projects. So I hope you can understand what I'm doing. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and you go on until you don't finish the chain, until the very last loop on the chain. So we meet after I finish. I'm back and I will show you the last two loops I have on my chain. I insert the hook and do the same thing as before, yarn over, pull through, and the last loop is the same, yarn over, pull through, chain one, and turn the chain. As you can see, there is the back loop, this one, and the front loop, and we go under both of them to make a good looking, let's say, pattern. You can sometimes go just to create the reed, and you can go under back loop, for example, but today we just do simple crocheting under both loops. Like you can see, there are two loops if I do like this, and it's very good, this one, for meditating, because you repeat the same motion and your body is remembering it easy, and it's good for your brain to relax. So I recommend you just to have some thing in your hands to make your hands busy, but your mind can just fly in your thoughts, and or just relax and concentrate on the action itself. And maybe you can make a small object that you can use, like dishcloth or even a scarf, depends what you need. Chain one, and you repeat and repeat the same until the desired length. Or if you just do it for relaxation, you can just never finish until the yarn finishes. So you can do it during your lunch breaks, or when you are on subway, or any other activity that requires long sitting posture. Oh, sorry. And so that's how it looks like. Sorry. Yes, now it's focused. And it's very nice and same from the both sides. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and we will see you again next time. Thank you for watching.